Welcome to
Cutting with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And mine is Andrew.
Today we're scratching Andrew's account, Techno468.
So today I'm going to show you my Christmas Tree Punch 2-player. So it's basically Santa Claus via Scratch Cat, and they both need to punch the Christmas tree. So it's kind of like a clicking game. So it's 2-player. So we need to try to get the most clicks for 30 seconds, and whoever has the most points, which is clicks, will win. Okay, so first in Scratch Cat, there's when W key press, so the controls are W for Scratch Cat and up arrow key for Santa. So when Scratch Cat and W key press, broadcast Cat Punch, which is a message, and change Scratch Cat points, which is a variable over here, by 1, so you get a point. Switch
Scratch Cat get.
Yeah, switch costume to costume 2. So I added like an explosion.
Because it's punching.
Yeah.
Maybe it was like a very big force.
Yeah, like more dramatic. And then wait 1 second and change back to the regular costume. And then play sound boing when you hit the tree until done. Okay, when green flag clicked, it'll switch costume to its first costume. So it won't be the explosion when you didn't even punch. Instead, it'll reset the timer and the Santa and Scratch Cat's points variables, and then forever change timer by 1. So it'll be the timer. Then wait 1 second. If timer equals 30 seconds, then it'll broadcast end game and stop all, because this game is only 30 seconds. For Santa,
don't be like for so long.
Yeah. When green flag clicked, it'll go into the first costume. So I also added explosion for Santa.
Is there actually the reindeers that's kicking?
Yeah. When up arrow key pressed, it's basically the same, but Santa kick message, Santa points, and it's different costumes. So it's also the boing sound. For the tree, which is Christmas tree, when green flag clicked, it'll switch costume to tree. Is it regular? So I also did 2 more costumes where shaking animation for the tree. So when I receive Cat Punch or Santa Kick from Scratch Cat and Santa, when they punch and kick, then they'll switch costume to tree, so it's a regular costume, and then wait 0.3 seconds, change it to tree 2, so shake, and then wait 0.3 seconds, go to the other side, and then return to the usual costume.
So it's like just shaking.
Yeah, I'll do the same for Cat Punch. Then there's this winner thing, which is basically the winner screen. When green flag clicked, it'll hide. So when I receive end game from Scratch Cat, when the timer is 30 seconds, it'll show. And then if Santa points is more than Scratch Cat points, then I'll switch costumes to Santa wins. Santa wins. Else, if Santa points is less than Scratch Cat points, it'll switch costume to Scratch Cat wins. Scratch Cat wins. Okay, and there's also Sprite 2, which is basically the instruction around the backdrop for Santa. Okay, so the background is basically yellow and red to be kind of Christmas themed colors.
I like red and green.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna play 1 round, okay?
I'm the Santa.
And I'm Scratch Cat. 3, 2, 1, go.
No.
So you can play with your siblings.
Or maybe friends, if you don't have a sibling.
Or parents. Okay.
I think the parents will win you if you play with the parents.
It's a little laggy because you need to complete the sound and the animation. We're basically tied.
I think it's going to be tied forever.
It's a bit laggy.
Santa
only has 6 reindeer.
What?
Okay, Scratch Cat wins. I won by 1.
But I have 22.
Because you clicked after the timer. That's bad. You can play it yourself. The link is in the description.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.